Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I have a surprise for my son Jack. He is 8 and I got him a subscription box that I didn't tell him about. It's called Your Family Box and it has toys. Just a sec, I'll get him. This box costs this much a month because I never remember. You can choose male or female and the age group. And Jack decided he didn't want to be in the video, but he's behind the camera and we'll see what he got. So this is a box for boys ages 8 to 9 and there are toys in here, Jack. First, it looks like Jack got Magic Coil. It says it's constructed from a single strand of flexible metal. Your Magic Coil transforms into a mesmerizing spherical torrid ring that revolves around itself like a metal bubble and collapses with a twist for easy storage. Perform cool tricks and share an amazing experience. And then it's got instructions on the back. Let me show them and I'll give it to you, buddy. There you go. What do you think? Okay. So he's looking at that. We're going to look at our next item.
Had robots.
It says Really Rad Robots. Well, it says try me and it's not doing anything, so.
I don't really have memorized.
It must need batteries. It says that you can record your voice, warp your voice, answer questions, and prank your friends. A single piece of steel, I guess, and it flattens somehow.
I can do it. I know how. It's a hard way. It's like a puzzle.
It is. There we go. That's pretty neat. Do you want to check out this record your voice?
Oh gosh, I think I'm hypnotizing a cat.
Okay. I'm kind of disappointed that would not let us try it. Maybe the battery's dead. Okay, let's do what's next.
We could do that at the end of the video. Like, we can do this, but...
Okay, we'll open that at the end of the video and we'll see if we can get it to work. All right, next I see something that he might really like.
Oh, God. Oh, no. I think I might have to get this.
There are Fortnite figures. Now,
I don't like Fortnite.
Jack does not play Fortnite, but he might like playing with the figurines. And I know his older brother does play with Fortnite. So this is called Technique.
He plays Fortnite
in solo mode.
He doesn't want to play Fortnite. He has to play Fortnite because his friend wants him to.
Well, that's called peer pressure. And if you don't want to play Fortnite, you shouldn't play Fortnite. But this says it's got building material in there too.
I see it.
And then this little guy, oops, his name is Carbide. And he's from solo mode. And he also has some building material.
I wonder if there's like a code that you could put in and then it would like put it on actual phone.
Maybe, let's see. It doesn't really say there's like a code for the game. But that's pretty cool. Some Fortnite. And then this one I'm super excited about. I don't know if Jack will like it. But Star Wars. Woo!
I know.
It's a 5-pack of heroes and villains, and they are papercraft. So they almost look like Minecraft figures, but you make them out of paper. We have Darth Vader. We have 2 Stormtroopers, Chewie, and I believe this is Han Solo. I grew up loving Star Wars. I was bound and determined to marry Luke Skywalker when I grew up. And on May the 4th, we watched the last, number 9, The Rise of Skywalker, and I absolutely loved it.
I did too.
So
I already watched it, but
I
watched it 2 times.
If Jack doesn't want this, my daughter Trinity said that she wants it. So let's do a quick review. We have some papercraft Star Wars, 2 Minecraft figures, and can I see your Really Rad Robot? We have this. This seems to be his favorite. And when I opened this, I was thinking this is like a Dollar Tree item, but it seems to be his favorite. So there's that. And then this Really Rad Robot, which I think could be really cool if we could get it to work. So let's see. We're going to turn this off, open this, and see if we can get it to work. I wanted to tell you that on the Rad Robots, Really Rad Robot, we opened it up, changed the batteries. The batteries were crusty that were in there, and we couldn't get it to work. I don't know whether to write the company and tell them or what? I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated.